we'll guide you through how to get support from Claude. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude website. Once you're there, navigate to the lower left corner of the homepage and click on the support link. This will take you to the support page where you can find various resources. Look for the Contact Us option, which is usually at the bottom of the support page. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different ways to reach out for help. You can choose to fill out a contact form by entering your name, email, and a detailed description of the issue you're facing. Be as specific as possible to get the best assistance. Alternatively, if you prefer real-time assistance, there might be a live chat option available on the site. You can click on the chat icon, which is typically located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and start a conversation with a support representative. They can help troubleshoot your issue or guide you through any questions you might have. If you're unable to resolve the issue through these methods, look for any phone numbers or email addresses provided for more direct communication. Remember to keep any reference numbers or email confirmations handy, as they can be useful if you need to follow up on your support request. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.